And an environment allows us to help you and thrive and flourish. One where a person can be deeply committed to raising resources to provide practices that impact everyone, but specifically underrepresented students, and using their own intersections to be able to act as a vehicle for social justice.
But it was pointed out that that it is possible and it's a goal worth working towards once it is clearly stated this is what we're working towards. So here at NC State, what is our goal and to work, and what is our mission to achieve racial equity? Because once that's defined, then we have the opportunity to work towards it.
Certainly, flourishing means to be without limitations, without being put in a societal box, without having judgments, without having socioeconomic barriers, without having to prove self, being at the table. But should we consider rethinking that table?
Our group members felt that they were able to flourish when they felt that they belonged to a group, a community, a place. They also felt this when they saw value for their whole self. So the value had to be not just for their ability to do X or Y, but their value in who they are, who they wanted to be, value in their imperfections, and value in the fact that they're there in that space. Being in a culture that respects, appreciates you, and values you for being your authentic self.
It can show up in unexpected places, particularly a Black person who may, at a PWI like NC State, encounter that mentor who they are surprised to find out looks like them, and how powerful and empowering that is for them. You could show your real face every day, that you were not checking any identities when you enter the work or whatever that space is, a field or a court.
Mentorship, and this idea that when other people recognize your needs and they affirm you and they are willing to share their experiences with you and to give you resources and to help you through, and that can be really powerful. Being inspired by others, recognizing allies and having them to be able to speak for you and advocate for you. And then it's a collective effort, that the idea of making change and being an advocate is not just for individuals, but also having that sense that there's a whole group behind you.